我们可不可以这个角度直接放在你的手机下面？
可以，你也不能。
可以，这个东西可以摆脚。你给我找个椅子来。有高椅子吗？
倒的吗？
只能放这儿。这样的话，这两个还有还是
我现在也是。
10分钟之后开始，你去准备去吧。那个稿那个看可以吧 ？OK 呢 ？OK 了，可以了。
给那个手机要那个啥开柴写是吧？
不，这个还是用手机，只是我们一次性直播2个平台，一个是
平台。
对，你就不用管了，你就照着说就行。
这是游戏机上的吗？那你知道咱那个密码是多少来着
？8898098888982188，你试试。你那个叫那个之前那个公司用的那个小牌子。
公牌啊？
对，咱们就看公牌。现在买的还有就是你看。去哪里？他上次有一天，上次是这是行业直播，行业直播你不封面吗？还有贴在你的身上吗？可是上次我没有贴，那不是也过了吗？我觉得他不把这个呢，你贴这个好看，不是这个，好吧？现在得不这么个机器那个啥，咱拿咱那时候用的，就一个产品的内部图，是不是？不是那个有一个在台式桌面台式的那个内部图，没有打进去吗？
我感觉他内部图打了，那个之前他是打的那个什么1399
那个估计也让我拉一下，没拿来。那个机器的内部图没打。
这里应该打的呀。
就是在台式那个桌面的那个。
没有吗？
没有。
没有。
找一下角度。你的手机也找好角度了是吧？对，我让他新打的。看可以吗？你鞋子一直在看着呢。看着。那个和上次流程差不多。
这个不要弄吗？
这个不用介绍清，反正你这一块，你愿意上风。 上一下子容易直接上了。我现在这里有一个人一直在等着看我们的直播。Can you hear me？ 我忘来着。哎，不行，我在这我能弄网呀。那你就只能出去了。那个你把少工找来去，他人呢？这样一起2个直播正好。我刚刚是因为想用3个来着，3个我加上个 Facebook 来，我发现不行，不现实。
有个先试试2个吧。
我让孙亚楠又准备1台电脑，本来是。
你这个聊天吗？
我觉得不如把那光排什么，贴到天上看不见。如果是看那个贴上呗。
不能现在我这样。
找到他了吗？
行，我没找。我弄我找来。
你弄你来，我去找他。
我得出去了。
喂，你在哪呢？啊，因为我们直播马上就开始了，你准备好了是吧都？好的 ，OK， 好的。
说实话，
没有说话，我只是发了个信息，这个人可能只是点击不一定能看，他一直在等。我们是12点开始直播，我不知道他能不能听到。
他们快听到还看不懂了，听不懂了也。
啊，你说现在的？
对呀，你都说。
所以你现在要一直有人，他不要走，不要离开。他没有收到我的信息，我不知道后台的那个前面会是什么样子的。
你这是开始了吗？
我得开开了哈，直播很6点。50吧，还有2分钟。
你可以和他那个人说了，跟我那么嗨。
你哈出来就行。哎，跟他们哪一个？和小丽上来。
你们好了吗？还有46秒。
还有46秒。来吧。没有啊，他没给我。你上次没贴了。这是按你爸爸发的吗？
是。他们之前说的
他们就是在用我那下。好了，他也给我打广告。我这里
开始了啊！
有一个。
开始了。
少工还没来呢。
哎，来说。
没有麦克风，他们能听得到吗？在哪呢？
你看见啊？
就在那这底下。这个
好。
这个没有，已经开始了吗？他能听到吗？没事，已经有2个人来了。
有人吗？
不是，那个看不到，这里能看得到。Hello。我们开始吗？开始。我不需要那个什么，直接开始吗？我进来了，都推开你来。
是你有问题。
OK。Hello，
那要不先问问吗？
我们说我们的就行是吧？不一定得你的。
你可以听得到，但是声音小吗？不是，这个声音大一点。是我听的。
但是这个不能声音太轻。
你不管啥，主要是阿里巴巴的，你这个只是辅助的。
先问。
OK。Welcome to our studio.
I'm Alina.
I'm Jessica. Firstly, let me introduce our company story. And our company name is Shandong Magic Intelligence Limited. And we are a professional manufacturer of laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, laser gluing machine, and so on. And today we will show our laser marking machine. We will introduce our machine, the spare part, function, application range, and show you how to mark the logo in different material. And now I will let my partner introduce our machine application range. Okay.
Okay, now I will introduce the material our machine has marked. Here is the simple 3D. This is the steel. Oh, this is steel. It cannot connect metal. Also, it cannot on the plastic, ABS plastic.
你详细一点，你光可以按照你们的展现上面3.1点之类的。可以展示圆圆的看到。
And also, you can mark on the bulb. It is very popular in laser marking machine. Also you can mark on the brass, yellow brass. And if you have material that you want marked by our machine, you can leave message. Our partner will contact you. And now I will introduce our new machine product. The new model. The first is the split design. And also we have a desktop type. This one is our portable one. If you work in your shop and your home, you have limited space, you can choose this type. And also, the laser head can take off away, and you can mark it with your hand. This one is the enclosed type. It is mini size, very popular in jewelry industry. If you have a jewelry shop, you can choose this one. It can mark with a very fast speed and high precision. This type. 主人吗？
不用管，你确定是？
And here's this type. We call it the flying laser marking machine. It can work with the production line. If you have cables and with a very fast speed, you can choose this type. This one is our desktop. It's this is our desktop type. And if you work in your factory and your factory has enough space, you can choose this type. You can choose this type. This tool type is our UV laser marking machine. It can work well with metal and non-metal material. This okay. Our partner Jessica will show you how to test mask. So how our machine works.
Okay. And come back to the offering. And now, just as we have said, we will introduce our village type for the marketing machine. Where type of careful. 帮我转换一下那个镜头，最近看到是。OK。Okay, look at here of render, and this is our most popular type. Most of okay, look at here. For this black here, we call the menu draft. And when you use this machine, you can control this part to control this part can let this place to move up and down. And for this part, we call it the beam path. This blue part we call it beam path. Maybe you can see clear. And if you want to see the details, you can use the message, and our college will send you the details. And for this part, we call it the scanner. For this is the this is the new spare part for the laser marketing machine. And for this part, the random people's logo or picture they want to map. The size is different. So we can suggest the different working size length to our customer. And usually the hot cell model of length is 110 millimeter by 110 millimeter. And if your logo or your size is in this size, maybe you can choose this length. You can see here, and this is the mobile phone charger, and the charger, and you can see it is not big. So so maybe you can choose this model length, and 110 millimeter by 110 millimeter, and you can use this kind of. And also, it is and some customer big logo or some pictures, then maybe the logo size is bigger than 110 millimeter by 110 millimeter. Then we will suggest other model. Except this model, we can provide 200 millimeter by 200 millimeter, and 300 millimeter by 300 millimeter. So so you can according to different size of your logo or your marketing product, and we will suggest you different model list. And this part is our working table. The material is aluminium, and this work table, the work table size is about 300 millimeter by 300 millimeter. But you can put if your product size is larger than this work table size, you also can put put some 8. no problem. It's no problem. And this pattern is our z-axis. The distance is 500 millimeter. It depends from from here to here. The distance is 500 millimeter. And if this is our logo and different axis for you. Okay, this pattern is our main cabinet. The color the color has white and blue color, and there are three buttons. The first button is the red light. It will control the machine red light. And like our machine, we have two red lights. Two red lights, it can help you to it is easier to help you to find the right focus. With the two red lights, when you use this pattern to let the two red lights make the two red lights in the same place, then you can find the right position for the focus. And the second button is the laser. And the laser, it will control the laser source. As we all know, for the laser, this is our laser type. We can inside we need to use the spray flower to open it. Here we don't open it. I will show you the inside picture. The picture and introduce show you the inside spare part. Okay, and the laser source. For this type of machine, we use the max laser source, the max, and also some customers prefer the Ricoh brand laser source. And for the different type of material, maybe the stainless steel, the customer wants to print the colorful logo. It merely used for mark the color logo in stainless steel. And except the stainless steel, you also can mark different color logo in the gold, in some the gold and some other metal. And this part is our laser source. And except this part, the next main product is the controller. As we all know, any kind of machine for the controller is the key of this machine. For this part, we use the 北京金称字, and also for our machine, we are not only provide this brand the controller. We also provide the software with this controller together. For the software, we also use the famous EZCD brand software. And they are in the same company for the controller and the software. And just maybe你给我留下这些资料，实际上我自己找，放在这儿。And except just we have we said this for this kind we call it the scanner, and maybe you cannot see here clear, and we will show you. This is our scanner. We use usually we choose signal level scanner, and it will scan your product. Then need to this information to the controller, and out and a computer. And this part is this part. They are the same part. We call it that we have introduced this part. We call it the lens. The lens. It has a different size according to your the product marketing size. If you need the bigger marketing size, you can tell us, and we will introduce the suitable model for you. And if you are interested in our product, don't forget to click the follow this word in the if you use the mobile phone, there is a word in your screen. And it's the word is follow. Don't forget to say there are bottom of in your mobile phone or in your screen, and there is a link. You can click link. Then you can send us the inquiry, and our partner, our colleague will share you more details to you. And why we introduce the laser marketing machine? Because in this month we have the big discount. We have a promotional activity. And if you are interested our discount, interested in our product, you can watch our live. You can and in your self time we will share you our promotional activity, and we'll share you the details of this big discount. OK， 你是来这个推销活动是吧？好吧。Now I will let our partner Elena will introduce our details for the discount for the promotion activity. Okay. Okay.
Free cards we can offer if you buy.你可以把这个镜头往这样，
不，这个不用管，你主要看着这个。
Okay, this part is the protecting glasses, and it can protect your eyes when you work with our machine. And this one is USB cables. It can connect the machine with the computer. And also we will offer you one set of rings. Here also the USB U-disc. In this U-disc, it has our machine. It has our machine user introduction. And the second one is if you buy 5 sets or more, we can give you a gift. Here is the gift we give you. I will show you. This house, we call it the rotary. The rotary. If you buy 5 sets, we will give you 1 set for free. It can mark the round material. If you mark with the bound or the round material, you can use this card. 5 sets, you can get it for free. And also, if you buy 10 sets, we will give you 1 set for free. This kind of machine we will give you 1 set for free.
你这个怎么控制好？这个只能控制一侧的，这个控制手机的。记忆可以。Okay,
I will show you this one set we will give you one big gift bag for you. And if you buy 5 sets, we will give you one rotary for you. One rotary. Here is the rotary for you. And if you buy 10 sets, we will give you one set for free. Here's the machine price. One one 1,300.
Hello, dear offering. Just we have shared our machine and introduced the functions, application, and the Miss View Pad, and also shared our detailed promotional the details of our promotional activity. And I think you should know our the big discount. And now we will show you maybe for the new friends maybe they are not clear what's the laser marketing machine and what kind of function they can get. And now I will show you how to work, how to operate, and how to mark by our machine. Now we will prepare, and I will let our engineer show help me and to mark and show you. Your offering now you can see out your offering please note that now we are prepared to mark the logo for you. And now 打个名下可以，打个名下改名是的。Now and look at here, dear offering. This is one stainless steel plate. And now we mark the logo in this plate, stainless steel, and it is a metal material. And I think every friend knows know it. Stainless steel. Now we will prepare it. Firstly, we will put it in our work table. There are two red lights, and it will launch to our work table. And firstly, we will control here to adjust the height, since that is the focus. Let two red points in the same place together. Then okay we will show then and the next we will dear offering the different material has a different parameter we need to set up in our software. We share the example picture use the software use the software 不光显示288.200镜头，对，而且288个镜头。And this is we use the computer to control. In the computer, we have set up his software and we use the ECC software. And in the software, when we mark the different material, and we will print different picture in software. It's nice on your set up here, depending on the different material, maybe we need print the quantity you want to mark, and the speed, the power, the frequency, and for the material. And when you this is the marketing function. And if you